Hello everyone, this is Angela from AOpen at DSE. Today we're showcasing 4 different scenarios, total scenarios of corporate communications, QSRs, hospitalities, and retail. We'll show how each device is synced with other devices together to make a device multifunctional and it's more intelligent systems overall. So we start here from a digital menu board that can be on any screens. So basically it'll be any maps of your facilities, and it can do a detailed information introductions for each corporation or each sections of the building. Once you select the building, for example, we select corporate and we hit registry. We'll have someone to enter their registry information, which I have entered previously for Rave. Michael here. Oh, I put nickel. And once the customers hit continue, you'll say thank you for visiting AOpen, and AOpen representative will be with you shortly. Once that's done, an internal communications digital menu board, sorry, not digital menu board, but corporate communication, internal communication software, it will run a alert to the staff who sit inside. So traditionally that sign is just displaying a corporate message, but right after someone registers, it'll pop a message saying that someone is at the lobby waiting for you. So it will alert the staff to go to lobby to welcome the visitors. And besides that, we're showcasing some of our hardwares in our corporate communication side. There's, excuse me guys, sorry. See, these are the traditional AOpen signage products. We have the mini PCs, which is for the office usage or for the school educational. They're all green and they're energy savings. They're all materials is very environmental friendly. And we have the digital engine. They're more ruggedized. It absorbs better on heat. It operates 24/7. And we have the fanless ones. These are ultra quiet, actually soundless, I should say. Very well with all the heat, and it performs really well. It's a very unique product. And what we hear is our products, it's built in with Wi-Fi capabilities or 3G cards available. And here's another product of ours. It's the multi-touch, warm touch. That's the newest product line we have. We have stuffers. Let's see.
I talked to Alex over the years, so maybe you're not our direct customer, maybe Alex Wang is our direct customer.
So there's actually games that we can put in the lobbies to assist the customers when the customer is waiting for someone to assist them. They can play around with it and get more familiar with your corporate side, or pop up their. I think our network probably is not working. Pop up any websites or social networks that's connecting to the site or logging to their own information with the web access, or play games if they would. So we have puzzle games, we have all different quizzes. That's just helping customers to understand the corporation better. And behind that, it's a screen scenarios that we're showcasing how each of our devices is actually built in with an analytic device that will take the traffics and see what the traffic's dynamic is, or what their genders or age, and then it will calculate out to see what time is the best time to play what message to what kind of populations. And so all of our device has this mechanisms built behind. Okay, and now let's go to the other side. Excuse me. So we walk into a QSR scenario. With the QSRs, I stay from here and it'll pop up a royalty programs. So basically you can enter your last name. I'll put my name and business phone number.
Well, I probably would have been current time, except I went to the spots, the other side. When I was here 3 years ago, that's where we were at.
And once you can continue, you'll say, it tells you what today's special is, so you can take that into your buyings list. And so traditionally, if you look at the signage, it's actually a dynamic digital menu board. It says where you stand away from the menu board. So when you're far away, it plays a bulk message with the promotions, with anything specials. But once you walk close by, excuse me, sorry.
Oh, sorry. What we're doing here is
it'll detect where you are and automatically pop into a more detailed menus for the person to read it better. And we have multifunctional ordering devices here. So you can either order it from a traditional POS with the cashiers who's standing behind the counter, or you can, well, this reflects actually what you order, or you can order them on a table-mounted ordering systems. It shows you the promotional items. You can do the mobile orderings, and it will show you the other promotion items. So basically what this system builds in is, doesn't matter where you order from, the table orders or the cashier's counter orders, it will intelligently boot all that information. It feeds back to a bumpers that's where the kitchen staff will see, and they will automatically tell people, hey, this is the order that your customer just ordered, make the order ready, and once it's ready, it'll pop a message onto a mobile device, tells you your order is ready to pick up at the counter. And as well as these are actually built in intelligently, so they sync together with the inventory base. So once an item is running low that's on a promotion, it will tell the promotion to take that off from the promotion list. And if there's a item that's heavily inventoried, it will tell the promotion to do a more run of that specifically ads that relates to that promotion. So that's how it works. And let's move to this section. This is our hospitality section. That's the start off. It's a traditional welcome board. Again, we go back to this. It's a mobile loyalty program where you can register for your city's locations and find out what's the localized promotions or travel agents that's available in your city. So let's put Las Vegas, Nevada. I don't know the zip code. Outpost 702 something. It's running slow. But once you register, it'll tell you there's a promotions for the city that you're looking for, and they can see the concierge at the same time. And once they walk into the lobby, it will give you a directions. These are very easy to update to any changes in your facilities, and the backgrounds can be set as the same scenarios that your hotel has. Any decorations, it's easy to upgrade, so you don't have to walk through all the traditional ways, the hard work to update them manually and to shut down an area to update them. So these can be all maintained manually, virtually through a tablet or a computer. What we have here is just showing you dynamically how to use digital signage. It's not a signage that you have to run ads. You can use it creatively. I think many hospitality sections, hotels, has been adopting to this scenarios. It's much easier to upgrade seasonal settings for the hotel settings, and also it's not static. It's dynamic graphics, so it's more livelihood of settings. And in retail sections, we have actually a lot of solutions in retail sections. Let's start from here. We have too many traffics. So let's... So generically, this is where people traffic see when they're standing outside of the windows or your stores. So you create a very vibrant contents to attract the customer to look, and then once you attract their attentions, the sensor will pick up where your customer is, and once you're close enough, it'll bring up the promotions to make you want to step into the store and to interact. So as the closer that you are, the content will change, depends on your distance, and once you're close to touch, it will tell you to touch, and then you can have a self-checkout, the loyalty sign up, or a catalog browsing. So there's multifunctional, and this whole image sync up with the screen behind it. So that's multi-usage of different signage, different devices. And let's go to take a look at the site.
Started off.
Excuse me. So this is another one that you will see traditional in the stores. If they have digital menu boards, it's acting as a catalog views. So it's very easy to use. But on top of that, with the details on the catalogs or other products, the customers actually can choose. They share it onto their own social networks, so they can share with their friends, telling them, hey, this is the promotion or this is the clothing I'm looking at this store. If you're interested, put like.
Do you want to show how it pushes?
I have yours. So actually in the sections, again, it actually interacts with the tablets. So let's see. My finger's too wet. So let's just say I want to push this content. I can actually push this content up to the screen, and I can push up to 3 different content up to the screen. So it's interact with your mobile device. So with this mobile app, you can interact with the stores, not just sharing informations. At the end of this show, actually, if we look at this again, we put registration. You can put your email address in. I'll put mine. It actually tells you that you're completing the steps and you are qualified to enter our raffles today. So these are all the different ways showing different scenarios or different usage of devices, how each device actually talk to each other, making the whole scenario actually make sense for it doesn't matter it's retail, QSR, hospitalities, or corporate. Thank you.